Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward to talk about the another section of the Review Dental Colleges video regarding the Maharashtra Dental Colleges, private and government both. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Now without wasting time, let's see the another dental college review which is present in Maharashtra, and that is the private dental college, that is the Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Sanstha Dental College and Hospital Aurangabad, which is the private dental college and which is established in the year 1991 and 92. Hospital attached is the same, that is their own hospital, that is the Chhatrapati Shahu Hospital, followed by the university is same, that is the MUHS Pune, followed by, if we talk about the seats, MDS seats in this college, then the 5 ortho seats is there, 2 perio seats is there, 2 oral surgery seat is there, 5 endo seats is there, 3 OMR seats is there, and 5 prostho seat is there. If we talk about the fees, that too per year PG seat being a clinical branch, that is the 11.94 lakhs. Let me tell you one thing regarding the fees of all the colleges which are present in the review video. Let me tell you something, that the fees is gonna change this year, that is in NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So if you are a NEET MDS aspirant, right, and you are watching this video right now, then keep this point in your mind that the fees might get changed for sure. Now let's see the previous year cutoff of the Chhatrapati Dental College which is present in Aurangabad. If we talk about the previous year analysis of the cutoff of All India Quota Counseling SC category, so the person got MDS in periodontics at the rank of 496, and the OBC category got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 132. Followed by the ST category, candidate got MDS in orthodontics, that too at a rank of 1012. This year cutoff of the journal category from All India Quota Counseling NEET MDS 2022 cutoff in this college, a candidate got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 111. Another candidate got MDS in oral surgery at the rank of 120. Another candidate got MDS in conservative dentistry at a rank of 66 being a journal category. Followed by a person got MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 160. The Maharashtra Dental College review, that is the another college, that is the D.Y. Patil Dental School present in Pune, which is the private dental college, and it is established in the year 2011 and 2012. Followed by the hospital attached is the Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, Yerwada, and the university is same, that is MUHS University in Nasik. If we talk about the MDS seats, then there are 3 orthodontic seats, 3 endodontic seats, 2 pedo seats. Followed by it has a package of fees, that is 51 lakh rupees for the 3 years of the MDS course for sure. Another branch of D.Y. Patil Dental College and Hospital which is present in Pune, it is a private dental college which is established in the year 2000 and 2001. Followed by the attached hospital is the VD Medical College, and the university is same, that is the MUHS University Nasik. If we talk about the MDS seats, then there are 4 OP seats, 4 OMR seats, 6 ortho seats, 8 oral surgery seats, 8 endo seats, 5 perio seats, 6 pedo seats, 2 PhD seats, and 6 prostho seats. We have a per year fees, and that too of the clinical branch of the MDS. So the oral pathology has 6.5 lakh fees for all the 3 years, followed by the OMR has total fees, that is 8 lakh rupees for 3 years, followed by ortho has 45 lakh 50,000 rupees for all the 3 years of MDS course of prostho in this college, Followed by the oral surgery cost, the fees in this college, that is 48,50,000 for all the 3 years of the MDS course. Followed by the cons and endo cost 50 lakh rupees fees for all the 3 years of the MDS course in this college. Followed by the pedo fees is 38 lakh rupees for all the 3 years of the MDS course, and prosto fees is rupees 53 lakh rupees, that too all the 3 years of the MDS course. Now let's see the previous year cutoff which is available in this D.Y. Patil college. That too with the analysis of All India Quota Counseling, journal category, round 3. A candidate got MDS in orthodontics, that too at a rank of 12,505. Another candidate got MDS in oral surgery at a rank of 6,358. Another candidate being a journal category got MDS in OMR at the rank of 16,050. Followed by the journal category candidate got MDS in public health dentistry, that too at a rank of 16,568. Followed by the journal category candidate got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 6,084. Another journal category candidate got MDS in pedodontics at the rank of 5,806. Another candidate being a journal category got MDS in oral pathology at the rank of 20,605. Another candidate being a journal category got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 8,716. Dental College of Maharashtra, that is the Dr. Hedgewar Smruti Rugna Seva Mandala's Dental College and Hospital, which is the private dental college of Maharashtra present in Hingloi. It is established in the year 2008 and 2009. Followed by the hospital attached is the government civil hospital attached Hingloi, and the university is same, MUHS University of Nasik. If we talk about the seat, that too in MDS course, so there are 3 prosto seats, 3 perio seats, 2 endo seats, 3 ortho seats, 3 pedo seats. The total fees here is nearly about in a range from 20 lakh rupees. See, regarding the fees, I have already told you that it might get changed in the NEET MDS 2023 and 2024 session. Please check the official website of the different colleges before joining them. Right, the fees is not updated on the official website yet regarding this NEET MDS session of 2023 and 2024. Let's see the cutoff, that too present in the Dr. Hedgewar Smruti Rugna Seva Mandal Dental College and Hospital. It is the previous year analysis of All India Quota Counseling, that too SC category candidate got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 338. On the other hand, the OBC category candidate got the MDS in pedodontics at the rank of 661. Followed by the ST category of All India Quota Counseling got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 966. Followed by the ST category candidate got MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 132. Followed by the journal candidates from the All India Quota Counseling, NEET MDS 2022 got MDS in periodontics at the rank of 535. Category candidate got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 253. On the other hand, another journal category candidate got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 260. Another journal category candidate got MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 341. That's all about the another review video regarding the Maharashtra private dental colleges with their cutoff. And if you see them carefully, you can see even the ranker at a rank of 16,000 or 20,000 or 16,000 or 17,000 candidates got the very good clinical branch, that too in the last round of All India Quota Counseling. So that's why I told you to watch my videos till the end is very important. Followed by that, the MCC schedule is out regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, that too All India Quota Counseling. Still we are waiting for the voucher to get released. Now followed by that, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. And please share my videos as much as you can, and don't forget to join the WhatsApp group of NEET MBBS 2023 Counseling, the fastest mode of sharing the information regarding the counseling. More faster than this YouTube channel and more faster than my Instagram. For that you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. You can follow me there as a sweet gesture, then ask for the link, register yourself and join in just 5 minutes. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.